Hi guys, did you know your phone is scanning the world around you right now? Not your apps, not your messages, your surroundings. It checks nearby phones, nearby Bluetooth devices, nearby connections, and you never turn this on. This is not an app you installed. It's a hidden system feature inside Google Play services, and on many phones it's enabled by default. Most people don't know it exists. Here's what that means in simple words. Your phone is constantly looking for other devices near you and collecting signals about where you are and what's around you. The more signals it collects, the easier it becomes to identify and track your phone. In short, your phone is giving away more information than it should. Now let's stop it. Follow me carefully. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Google. Tap All Services. Go to Connected Devices and Sharing, then tap Devices. As you can see, it's constantly scanning for nearby devices in the background. This isn't something you manually turned on, like it's enabled by default. Even when you're not using your phone, it's still working and collecting signals without you knowing. This also affects your battery. Because your phone never truly rests while scanning, it uses extra power, which can drain your battery faster over time. Here's the scary part. All this scanning leaves behind digital clues. Think of your phone like a person leaving footprints everywhere. The more it scans, the easier it becomes to recognize and track your phone. Even without apps or location services, these patterns make your phone stand out from millions of others. On some phones, it may have a different name. If you see anything about nearby devices, device connections, or scanning, turn it off. That's it. You've just disabled a hidden setting that quietly affects your privacy every single day. If this helped you, like the video. And if you want to learn about more hidden settings that protect your privacy, subscribe and turn on notifications. All right, see you in the next video. Bye for now.